থেকে সিকিমের হিস্ট্রি শুনবো। উনি আমাদেরকে সিকিমের হিস্ট্রি শোনাবে। আমরা ওনার কাছ থেকে সিকিমের হিস্ট্রি শুনবো।
आपका 1642 में दिस वाज कैपिटल ऑफ सिक्किम वेयर छोगेल रूल्ड, किंग छोगेल रूल्ड, king छोगेल.
Oh, अच्छा.
So he ruled here when the Nepal army, Gorkha army attacked Sikkim. It was on Rabdenchi ruins, West Sikkim. There they attacked and they totally covered, you know, not only Sikkim, they covered Darjeeling, they covered Kurseong, they covered Kalimpong, they covered Falakata also, they covered till Kumai. You know till Kumai, Kumai. What is it? Kumaon. You say Kumaon in Uttarakhand. Till Uttarakhand they covered. When Britishers came, Britisher and Gorkha army had a fight. Many of the places Gorkha army defeated the British army. But unfortunately, in the Battle of Nalapani, the Britishers stopped the food for 30 days and water for near about 3 months. So the Gorkha army had to surrender. So for that, the British army did not punish the Gorkha army. They took the Gorkha in their army and named Gorkha Regiment. From there, the word Gorkha Regiment was born. Now, very famous Gorkha Regiment. British has Gorkha Regiment, India has the Gorkha Regiment. So from there, Gorkha Regiment evolved. Thereafter, the people of Sikkim, those army who came here, settled here, and they slowly had family over here, and the Nepali origin developed here. Okay, so now in Sikkim there is 70% Sikkimese. Okay, because Sikkim was incorporated in India in 1975. They have special rights. Sikkim has special rights. Article 371F is given to Sikkim, where only a COI holder, citizenship of India, they have a COI. Other card, voter card they have, but they have COI. You cannot, other people raised in Sikkim cannot buy land here. They enjoy special right. If you are of other state, then you cannot buy land in Sikkim.
Only land.
Only you can take lease. Only the people of Sikkim can buy. Sikkim is beautiful because of this Article 371F. Okay, the government of India, the Constitution of India has granted them 371F. Now, what does 371F assure? They have Article A to Article P. They have a list of schedule where maximum things are written, like 30 members in the Legislative Assembly. Okay, so they have 2 members, one in Lok Sabha, one in Rajya Sabha. There are different clauses. Okay.
এখানে সংবিধান কি সম্পূর্ণ আলাদা?
No. Indian Constitution. There is nothing like 2 constitution. जम्मू कश्मीर में जैसा था, दूसरा संविधान था, दूसरा झंडा था. इधर पे ऐसा नहीं है. इधर पे एक ही संविधान है, भारत देश का एक ही झंडा है, ठीक है. बट देयर कल्चर इज वेरी डिफरेंट एंड वेरी यूनिक एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
আমরা দেখলাম যে রাস্তাঘাট অনেক পরিষ্কার এখানে.
বিকজ দ্য গভর্নমেন্ট ইজ ভেরি গুড হিয়ার. people are very good. People बहुत sincere, army बहुत sincere इधर का. They try to make government benefit. Okay, so they like cooperate with the government.
Gentle and polite.
इधर पे strike वगैरह नहीं होता है. There are no strikes.
Okay.
There are no agitations. If agitations भी होगा तो rally 1-2 तो होता है. Government try to resolve it very fast. Whichever the government comes, okay. So Sikkim beautifully because people are very beautiful. Sikkimese people are very beautiful. You take Sikkimese Nepali, you take Tibetan, you take Lepchas, you take Bhutias. Everyone is very beautiful. Because the culture of Sikkim is very beautiful. It's there is mostly Buddhist. So there are beautiful monasteries over here, beautiful Buddhist temples over here. So there are lot in the sightseeing also. Everything has cultural meaning.
90% বুদ্ধ.
90% বলতে ভালো না, কিন্তু mostly Buddhist. The religion of this state, if you term, then it is a Buddhist state. So everything is like Lord Buddha is the symbol of peace, right? So Sikkim is a peaceful state. That's the beautiful region. One of the fastest growing state in India, one of the only state which is organic. The only organic state in India where there is no use of fertilizers, no use of pesticides, no use of nothing in vegetable. They use organic way of farming, you know. That's why everything is beautiful. We are going Lachung today. Lachung has its own meaning again. The people they reside in Lachung, they are very beautiful. They are like Tibetan, like they are Lepchas, they are Bhutias, there are Nepalis also, Sikkimese Nepali. Everyone is very cooperative. You will not find a scene like local people are disturbing you. They try to cooperate with the tourist. You know, so because Atitya Deva, what we follow in India, guest are God.
Yeah.
So if you don't come, so then how can we survive our livelihood? So as much you are important to come for travel, as much we are important to give you service. In Sikkim, smoking is prohibited. You cannot smoke in public places because the Supreme Court of India have already given the verdict that no one can smoke in public places, which is very hard and fast in Sikkim. You cannot smoke. There are smoking zones. In MG Mark there is smoking zone where you can go and smoke. Government has created such areas. So they have created smoking zones, main roads where you can smoke. Bangladesh team also has become very good in cricket, right?
Yeah.
Some people are saying,
Yeah.
we are watching Bangladesh team has become very good. Might be next 4 to 8 years, then we might see that Bangladesh is lifting World Cup again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Because last time the match with India, last World Cup, Bangladesh was near about to win. But fate.
Yeah.
Game is once you have to win, once you have to win. So Bangladesh has defeated major teams like Australia, Sri Lanka, India. They've already defeated. Once youth comes, then main issue. If you invest today in youth, then tomorrow there will be future generation, right?
Right.
Right.
Thank you
so much.
जो कुछ जाना है
कटाओ ये कटाओ है 0 आपको यहाँ पर कटाओ का हाइट है 13,575 फीट हाइट में यहाँ से बिनी टाउन हम लोग जाएंगे लाचुंग के बाद हम लोग रवाना हो जाएंगे गैंगटॉक के लिए।
लाचुंग का सबसे अच्छा जगह है कटाओ। यहाँ से ऊपर जो पहाड़ देख रहा है, ये पहाड़ से एंडिंग में आपका चाइना बॉर्डर है और हम लोग चाइना बॉर्डर से थोड़ा नीचे में आ गए। हम लोग ऊपर तक जा नहीं सका क्योंकि स्नोफॉल ज़्यादा हो गया है रास्ते में, इसलिए हम लोग गाड़ी स्किड मार रहा है, इसलिए हम लोग ऊपर तक नहीं पहुँच पाए, यहीं तक पहुँचा है। हम लोग का गेस्ट सब यहीं तक आया है। अब यहाँ से हम लोग डायरेक्ट लाचुंग जाएगा, लाचुंग में लॉन्च करके फिर बैक गैंगटॉक जाएगा।
इम्पॉर्टेंट साइट सीइंग में नंबर 1 में आता है, जहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्नो है। मतलब आप लोग कहीं भी जगह जाते हो कि खटाव में है ही मिलते ही स्नो। मेन साइट से कहा जाता है, मेन साइट। और यहाँ पे मतलब नॉट ओनली इंडियंस और बाहर के फॉरेनर्स भी आते हैं घूमने के लिए। सो सिक्किम इज़ द ओनली प्लेस वेयर वी गेट लॉट्स ऑफ स्नो।
আপনারা আমাদের গাইডস এবং আমাদের যারা নিয়ে আসছে তাদের মুখ থেকে শুনলেন এই জায়গাটা সম্পর্কে। আমরা তাদের মুখ থেকে আসলে এই জায়গাটা সম্পর্কে বিবরণ দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করছি।